The remote sensing satellites were first launched in 1980. It was all started with the NOAA-6 and NOAA-7. They were each used for 4 years. These satellites used magnificent technology of the time to create a future in remote sensing. NASA was able to pick up data like this. Each color represented a level at sea at that point. People were amazed by this technology. The people at NASA spent close to 2 years reviewing the data. The satellite took a measurement every 10 minutes. Geo Sat was next. It was launched in 1985 on an Atlas EF OIS rocket. It was used for 5 years. It was operated by the United States Navy. Next was Topex Poseidon. NASA did more research and designed this satellite. The Topex Poseidon had an instrument called an altimeter. An altimeter is an instrument that measures the level of the satellite. The satellite has to be at a certain level in altitude to get correct measurements. They have to be within 2 centimeters of the correct altitude, or it will give an incorrect reading. This is a radiometer. It is used to acquire measurements of the radiant flux of electromagnetic radiation. It is filled with argon gas and spins when it is exposed to light. This is LiDAR. LiDAR is what is used to pick up data from the sea. It takes the data and makes a colored photo, each color standing for another altitude. It can also be used for on land. The Jason series was started with Jason 1 in 2001. It was the satellite after Topex Poseidon. It was launched on a Delta II 7920 in December of 2001. It was later decommissioned in 2013. It served a total of 11.5 years. The Jason 1 unlocked many secrets of the ocean and encouraged NASA to make more like it. After that was CloudSat. This was not part of the Jason family, but was important. The mission lasted 2 months. It was launched in 2006 on a Delta II 7420. The Jason 2 was launched on a Delta II 7320 rocket in 2008. This satellite is still being used. It is used to measure the surface of the ocean and track climate. Jason 2 can get a reading of 95% of the Earth's ice-free ocean in 10 days. Next will be the Jason 3. The launch date will be in April of this year. It is expected for a 3-year mission, but NASA is hoping for 5 years of complete service. Remote sensing has been going on for 34 years and being operated by NASA the whole way. It is amazing how much has been done in such little time.